Bracken Library has a specialized area which contains congressional information, government publications, and census information on the federal and state levels. But do you know where this special area is? And do you know how to use this facility? Here we have a student who needs to locate detailed data on the United States space program. He has one problem: where to start.
Can I help you?
Yes, can you tell me where I can find some information on NASA's space program?
That'd be in government publications, and it's on second floor east side, right above the circulation desk.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Government publications. Once inside government publications, it doesn't take long to realize the mass of information stored within. At first, it might seem confusing. To simplify the confusion, consult the staff for assistance. They'll answer questions as well as explain the use and organization of the collection and give instruction to the use of the indices.
First, we have reference books, which include statistics, addresses, this sort of thing. We have the Indiana documents. We have census publications, those publications having to do with business, industry, manufacturers, and then we have employment and earning statistics, all of which make up our basic collection. From these, then, the two basic books that you would need would be these two that would help you.
These two reference books will be of service to you. This one is the government manual, which has information about the agency, and look under the agency in the index in the back. This one is a statistical abstract, and this has statistics basic to your information, NASA, in the back in the index.
Okay, so all I have to do is look up everything in the back of the book?
Yes, use the index most of all. The Indiana documents index is at the end of the counter. We also have Indiana publications, and this is the checklist of Indiana state documents arranged in alphabetical order by agency with the check mark for those that we have. Main index is the monthly catalog at the Carroll.
In most cases, the monthly catalog will be the first step in locating materials. The monthly catalog is the card catalog of government publications. At first, it may seem complicated, but actually it's not. The back of the catalog is divided into author, title, and subject index pages. Most material can be located under one of these categories. Once you find the publication you're looking for, write down the number which appears at the end of the entry. The first two digits represent the year, while the remaining numbers are listed sequentially with the entries preceding the index. Located in the front of each entry is the matching index number. When you find the entry, drop down one line. Centered over the publication information is the Superintendence of Documents Classification Number, or SUDOC number. This is the number equivalent to a call number the library staff needs to locate publications. The penciled check mark means the library has the copy in the collection. If there is no check mark before the SUDOC number, then the publications may be obtained through the Interlibrary Loan Service. This may take from 7 to 10 days. Next are the detailed indices, which contain information over and above what is found in the monthly catalog. The main indices here are the American Statistics Index, which covers general statistics, and the Congressional Information Service, which covers congressional sources. Another area of government publications is the periodical section. Current periodicals of governmental agencies are located in alphabetical order according to title. Non-current periodicals are filed in the collection under their SUDOC number. These periodicals are published frequently. Now that you're familiar with government publications, you'll probably want to begin locating materials within the monthly catalog. Keep searching through the monthly catalog indices until you're satisfied with the number of publications you have selected. When you're ready to locate the publications, give the SUDOC numbers to one of the government publication staff members. But they are skilled in finding books and other publications quickly and efficiently. By letting them find your materials, you'll save both time and frustration. Materials in government publications are available to faculty and students at Ball State, as well as the general public. All materials are limited to room use except for Ball State faculty and staff, who may check out materials for 1 week. Materials you wish to photocopy may be removed and then returned immediately by showing an ID or driver's license at the counter. If you need more time to read the materials than government publications' hours permit, publications may be transferred to the reference counter for use until the library closes. To do this, simply give your name to a staff person at the counter, who writes your name on a piece of paper and inserts it into the book for later reference. Locating materials in government publications is easy once you know the system. Each of the key areas are designed to help speed up the fact-gathering process. Let's review the key areas again. Reference materials, which contain statistical subject matter. Checklist of Indiana state documents, or Indiana publications. Federal monthly catalogs, or listings of federal publications. Other key indices, for detailed federal reports. And periodicals, for daily, weekly, and monthly federal and state periodicals. When you come back, your materials are ready for use.
There you go. What do I do with these?
I'll take care of them. Did you find everything you need?
Yes, I did. Found everything I needed. Everything was just great. Next time I'll come to government publications first.